ageing populations, with increasingly complicated health problems, combined with rising costs for drugs and a need for more personalised treatment, are just some of the challenges facing the pharmaceutical industry today. The Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre aims to address these challenges by creating more productive ways of manufacturing medicines and developing an agile pharmaceutical supply chain for the future, which will reduce waste, costs, and speed up time to market, enabling a healthier society and a robust UK economy. The centre is a collaboration between CPI, the University of Strathclyde, UK Research and Innovation, Scottish Enterprise, and founding industry partners AstraZeneca and GSK. The facility, based in Glasgow, Scotland, is currently under construction and is due for completion in late 2021. It's a unique, state-of-the-art GMP facility which will enable industry, academia, healthcare providers and regulators to work collaboratively to de-risk new technologies, providing a clear pathway for their widespread adoption within the pharmaceutical industry. The initial focus of the centre is to deliver two grand challenges. Grand Challenge 1, in partnership with CMAC, focuses on redefining the production of oral solid dose medicines. Advanced technology will enable tablets to be produced 30% more efficiently versus the current industry standard. Grand Challenge 2, in partnership with CME, uses digital quality and automated technology to transform just-in-time medicine supply. This next-generation technology will reduce waste whilst improving flexibility through clinical trials, leading to a dramatically quicker supply of drugs to patients. This is just the start. Two new grand challenges will be launched in the coming months. Designed to be both ambitious and disruptive, they will support the pharmaceutical industry to develop step-change technology to make the manufacturing and supply of drugs vastly more productive and with reduced risk. Further grand challenges will follow on from these. We are delighted to welcome several new collaborators, and we continue to expand, seeking new partners to join us in developing next-generation pharmaceutical manufacturing. So why not be part of this innovation journey? Let's innovate together.